How to create an isometric Halloween room. First thing you can watch. Okay, first add isometric block and then fill the colors. After that, add a window and then adjust the size. Create a new layer and add a table. Next, fill the color of the table and the window. Outside is dark, so I add the black color. And then next, add a chair. After that, rearrange it and then fill the color. Next, add a plant and put at the corner, left corner of the room, and then fill the color. Next, I will add dark light. How I do it? I just draw inside of the block again and fill with black color. Then the room will turn dark. And then adjust transparency. All the objects that are not Halloween objects will be under this dark layer. Next, I will add candles, and it will be above dark layer. And then add a sprinkle, make the candles light brighter. Next, add a spider web. At the window, use distort tool to adjust. Next, add a spider on the table. Next, I will add a ghost and fill with white color. And then I will add jack-o'-lantern or a Halloween pumpkins. And then fill the color. After that, I will add sprinkle. Make the Halloween pumpkins look brighter. Next, add a bat. Just add on the wall. This time I will use neon brush. Next, add the light path at the bat. Just draw a shape and fill the color with white. After that, use blender brush and blend the color. Blend at the white color. Next, add a Halloween hat. And then add a Halloween pot. Next, add more candles on the table. and then add a Dracula. It's done.